It appears we have a problem. The 3-point hitch will not go up.
Much later.
Well guys, I'm an idiot. I didn't have the PTO engaged, and if you don't have the PTO engaged, then the 3-point hitch won't work. This here is our wood splitter that we use for, well, splitting firewood. We've had this for a very long time. There's really nothing that's really wrong with it. I mean, there's a couple little things that we're gonna address. There's really nothing that's really broken on it. As you can see, at one point a tree actually fell on it. Like, I think it went this way because it also took out the lever here. Really simple though. Your hydro tank's in the axle there. And then you've got a little Honda 5.5 horsepower gas engine. There's this little hydro pump. You go forward and you can go back, and that's it. So this thing's been sitting all summer. A week ago though, we did start it up to split a couple pieces of firewood we had lying around. Took the bin off the engine here, and there was just mouse nests packed in there. So I took this cover off and got out what I could, and then we ran it. So I don't think there's too much more mouse nest in there, but we should probably take that off to just check, because I did notice they chewed a few things, so I just want to make sure they didn't chew too much. Also, got to give her an oil change. I don't even know what the oil looks like. We're going to have to check that in a minute. The next, probably the biggest thing we're going to do is we're going to get these tires off, and we're going to get new tires. These things, they hold, you can pump them up with air, and they'll hold air for like an hour, and that's it. And it's an absolute pain when you got to move it. That's why I was going so slow down the hill there, because this guy is really bad, and I didn't want to ruin the rim. So first things first, let's get this thing jacked up a little bit and try to get these tires off. Probably going to move it to the back of the shop there, that way it's not in a terrible place. Right now it's sort of in the way. This is a much better spot. We're literally right next to all the tools and everything. So I'm not exactly sure how to go about getting this cap off here. I'm gonna try to get a screwdriver in there. There we go. Got it. Bearings don't seem to. I don't know why I touched that. I swear I have a grease addiction. I'm gonna go and put that bearing right on there, so it doesn't fall out of the wheel and I lose it. Leave that there. You can see they chewed some of the fins there. That's probably where they were getting in. These ones are okay, but these ones are pretty chewed. Well, at least there's no more activity. Go ahead and put this back on. Got mouse house all over my hands. Yep. This is the dipstick side. Let's see where we're at. We're a little low. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put a little 10W30 in there.
One eternity later.
That's good right there. Oil change donezo. Let's get all this put back together. Alright guys, so the engine is all set now. All that's left to do now is to get those wheels repaired. So I will see you guys when we get the tires. Yep.
75 years later.
Alright guys, so it's a couple weeks later and finally got some tubes in the tires here. As you can see, it's still the same tires, same rims, just got tubes in there now. This just slides right on. Yes, too tight. That should be good. But guys, that's all I got for today. If you did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I'll see y'all next time.